Alrighty guys, so if you're throwing in a tack, right, so this is a tack I got out of a junkyard, and went ahead and removed all of this. It's pretty simple. You can take your shifter out if you have this and you're lucky, but anyway. So how it works is you're gonna have this plug here, right, and it's gonna have a black here and a green here, and one's gonna be polka dotted, right? These are gonna be your factory tack wires if you have them. So I'll show you in a second what I had outside the truck. But yeah, so pretty much how it's gonna go, right, is, and these wires are horrible because, you know, every color is the same. So this is right here. So this one here is gonna be the black polka dot. It's gonna be your red, or not red, green polka dot. Right here is gonna be your power source for this thing, and this is gonna be your ground. So the only thing I haven't found is that I don't think I have the factory power and ground. There's a chance that it's one of these wires. You know, I haven't taken a gander. But it, you know, I saw nothing online for this, and it really helped to actually figure it out without having to, you know, worry about it. But we followed it. I'll show you out here. We got some music playing. So. But anyhow, so as you can see right here is where I hooked in. Right here is going to be the factory hookup that I had, and the wires go down through here, down through this mess, and they come out over here. It's a mess in here right now because we were searching for them. But yeah, so all you have to do is pretty much, like, this is my old Gates cluster here, right? And if you look, these two wires here aren't used. So that's kind of how I was able to figure it out. But yeah, so pretty much polka dots, the green and the black, those are your tacks. This is with a factory one. I don't know how it would be if you don't have a factory, but I got the factory. So, and then yeah, I just used, if you look right there, sorry, used that, sorry guys, right, I think there, right there where that one's plugged in, that's the power source I'm using, and I'm just grounding out up there. Yeah, it looks like a mess right now, but it'll be nice because eventually this will be stick. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed. Pretty much just helping a brother out. So y'all have a good one. Bye.